Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to actually use the Bamboo HR. So here, we can try this one for free. So first, just log in and then open any of your web browser and search for Bamboo HR and click on this first website. That's right. Then after that, you'll be able to see this get a demo option at the top right of our screen. Okay, and then in order for you to get a free demo, you just have to input right here your details. Okay, so for this one, since we cannot really get a demo, we just have to discuss the important features of this tool. So we have the platform, the pricing, the solution, the why Bamboo HR option at the top, the resources, and then the about. So for this one, we're just going to focus on the platform. Okay, so we have HR data reporting, payroll benefits administration, time and attendance, applicant tracking system, global employment, and more. Okay, so we are going to start with the first one. So we have HR data and reporting. Okay, so here why choose the Bamboo HR data reporting. So people work, not paperwork. So approvals without the chase. So make bottlenecks and email follow-ups a thing of the past with automated workflows, data-led decision making. So get the reports, dashboards you need, and then faster answers with the AI. So empower people with the data-driven decisions, manage employee data the easy way, get instant accurate AI answers to routine HR questions, stop the guesswork with a smarter HR reporting. Okay, and then you can compare with confidence. Okay, so we have different samples, then avoid mistakes and reduce the compliance risk. Okay, now the next platform is we have the payroll. Okay, so for the payroll, you can no more filing taxes. They're going to do it for you. Okay, then empower employees to manage their own information. That's right. So we have here the info, and then you can sync payroll data with your accounting software. You can create flexible pay rates for different rules and tasks. So we have here the project pay taxes. That's right. Next is the time and attendance. So for the time and attendance, it's manage the time off effectively. So we have here the calendar, streamline time, and the project tracking. You can keep everyone on the same page with features like automation. So next is we have the applicant tracking system. So for the applicant tracking system, you can find the right candidate faster. Okay, so you can create job opening. So for the communication, automate and personalize every step. That's right, that's for the communication. And you can snap up your top picks before the competition. So digital offers and the other information right here. And then for the reporting, you can hire smarter with in-depth analysis. And for the next one, we have the onboarding. So for the onboarding, you can give new hires a new head start. That's right. So here, you can make paperwork quick and easy. So you can skip, the manual paperwork, you can simplify tasks and stay organized with automation. Here you can stay informed and see the progress unfold. That's right. Next is we have the performance management. So for the performance management, you can create a culture of feedback. You can see here the employee performance. You can also give the employees the support they need. So encourage progress, tackle challenges, and more. You can also use the pre-built reviews or make your own. And then the next one, let's go back to the platform and let's proceed to the employee experience. For the employee experience, you can foster engagement, satisfaction, and connection to your employees. Survey employees with employee net promoter score. You can also know how your people really feel, like about your organization, their work, and etc. And the next one is the compensation. For the compensation, you can make equitable pay decisions with the integrated Mercer data. You can establish transparent pay practices and clear career paths. Simplify your entire compensation review process. Show your people just how much you want them. And for the last one is the compliance. for the compliance. You can stay ahead with real-time legal guidance, and then personalized HR guidance built for your business, and the easiest way to assign and track compliance training. And you can also automate 1-9 and e-verify for simplified onboarding and fast, accurate ACA management. So those are the different platforms if you are going to use the BambooHR. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.